Up until now, the variables what I showed you had hard-coded values, or possibly a random value. To make your programs more flexible, you can receive inputs from a user. For this purpose, Python has a built-in function which is input. Input returns with the user's input what the user typed into the console. I just print this age variable to see it really works. And it gives us an empty prompt. I just type 21 and it gives back 21. This input function can take an optional message which will be displayed to the user as a prompt. Enter your age. Now the prompt will be more clear and it works as well. Basically, this is it, but there's a catch. And it will be clear immediately if I show you the type of the age variable. As you can see, this is a string, and actually everything comes from the console through this input function is a string. However, age should be a number. Here we can use what we already learned, and that is typecasting. Let's convert the string input to an integer. For typecasting, I just use int function because I'd like to convert a string to an integer. Now our code is much better because 21 in my program is an integer. So input comes from the console as a string, and if you need other types, you can use typecasting. That's all for now. I hope I will see you in the next lesson.